Hey guys, in this video you will see how I transformed this office space into a beautiful nursery. The first thing I did was make a design board. So here is where I place all the items that I will be using in the room. Of course, we have the crib with the decals that you'll see how I install them, this fabulous rocking chair, a changing table, all the essentials needed for a nursery. So I wanted the room to be very functional, so we have a side table right next to the rocking chair. You can easily put a bottle down, put your phone down. We also have bookshelves right by the windows, so again, easily grab a book to read. Just not only stylish, but very functional as well. Another thing I did before actually sticking the decals on the wall was to cut around the flowers and put double tape and kind of figure out the best way to place all the flowers on the wall. And as always, I'll be linking all the items that I used on the description box, like the sea and this pillow, and the little clock from Target, the frames that I purchased on IKEA, and all the Etsy items that I was able to find, including that amazing poof. I can't wait to tell you guys where I found it. So the cool thing about this project was we had to relocate the office downstairs, and I'm working on that project now. So stay tuned for that. That office is such an awesome transformation. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Let me know what was your favorite part about this nursery. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments. I love to read what you guys have to say, although I think I've just gotten 2 comments. Ay, Jimena.